Welcome this video title Transforming Your Bathroom is on budget, a complete makeover guest. Introducing the bathroom is often an outlook space when it comes to home renovation, but a stylish and functional bathroom can significantly enhance your daily routine. Many people shy away from remote than bathroom due to the perception that it's require a hefty budget. However, with some create and state plans plan you can with your bathroom ast stream mark cover without break the bank. We explored cost effect a way to revamp your bathroom and turn it into a space that reference your space and meet your reference need. Budget plan. Before drawing into an markover project is going to set a real estate budget as your venture and determine how much you can allocate to your bathroom makeover. When a clean budget with guest get your decision and help your win to space is what to save. Paint and color scheme. One of the most cost effective way to transforming an from room is with a fresh cost and paint. Choose a color scheme the complement your set and the overall aesthetic your ambience from lights color can make a smart bathroom Fade more than bold color and add chapter other of high quality bathroom paint that resent more and modern. Upgrade your vanity. Replace the ambience bathroom remedy can be expensive, but those are budget friend can refinish or repaint your repaint vents of a refresh look. Change that hardware such as draw pull can also make a significant in peak split second hard stone on online marketplace of effect phone like that you can willing to make your style light matter. Update your bathroom can signification and pick its atmosphere scroll over outdated finish of more modern and energy effect. Other considered add LED lights around middle and update cabin of a stylish yard building friendly lights upgrade people lights can enhance the